That black one is connected to L, so the way you want to push, you see, is sideways. On the side, you just push it that way. So the next one is number 3, the purple one. So I take this one off. Oh shit. I look like it has power. Okay, I'm just gonna slide it from the side. So number 3 is on that. Next number is number 1. So it's gray. So I put the number 1 here. One is number 2 brown. So I'm gonna slide it right there. All 4 wire in, so I'm gonna test it for now before I put the light. You see, it's working. I think I can change it here. There you go. I just turn it off with the switch and I can turn it back on. You see? So it's working. Perfecto. Light, just white and black. All chain. You just have to slide it inside this. So like that, slide that one. So I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna connect it to this. We connect that, you just take this one and push it through that hole. Here. Let me see. There you go. And I take this one and I just go. Oh, there's the other one.